Need proof that Mother Nature can be terrifying when she's angry? These natural disasters will leave you speechless and shock you. Well, we've got some of the most devastating forces of nature that have caused chaos and destruction. Let's check out these wild moments where the power of nature proved to be unstoppable. Bet you've never seen a lightning strike so powerful it sounded like an atomic bomb. In this CCTV footage, you can see the moment a massive tornado nearly destroyed an entire neighborhood. Thankfully, no one was harmed. In 2015, a massive hurricane hit Florida, leaving behind a path of destruction. This is the moment an earthquake brought an entire building crashing down in Turkey, shaking the entire surrounding area with its powerful tremors. These workers were just going about their day when a massive flood decided to pay them a visit. Scary moment. A massive avalanche on Meili Snow Mountain in China swept away countless trees and everything in its path. This heartbreaking clip shows a house just moments before collapsing due to a flood in China. Never seen a landslide cause this much damage. So scary.
Aquí lo hace la uno, es igual.
Look at
this is what happens when you hire the wrong construction company. Watch the devastating moment a car gets swallowed by a tornado. Back in 2015, a neighborhood in India was destroyed by sweeping away everything in its path. Think that's a missile strike? Nope, that's just the sheer power of a massive mudslide wreaking havoc. This man was just driving up a hill when, out of nowhere, a massive mudslide came crashing down, barely missing him by seconds. One wrong move and he would have been buried alive. Back in 2019, a massive landslide occurred in China, leaving behind a path of destruction. Watch the moment a massive mudslide takes over the road, bringing traffic to a standstill. A powerful storm broke out in Japan, destroying everything in its path. This flood turned an entire house into a boat and carried it away with its powerful currents. Look at this massive flood sweeping away cars like they're just toys. Back in 2018 in Texas, this massive tornado suddenly appeared out of nowhere and started tearing through the road. Thankfully, it seemed like it was just playing around. This is a house during a massive snow invasion in South Korea. Never imagined I'd be chased out of my own home by snow. A city in Thailand was left with millions in damages when a massive flood swept through the streets, dragging cars along and causing mass destruction. Terror struck in Indonesia as extreme rainfall triggered a massive flood, swallowing entire neighborhoods and leaving massive destruction in its wake. Watch as houses collapsed, streets turned into raging rivers, and properties worth millions of dollars were wiped out in a matter of hours. Just look at how quickly this storm is flipping cars like toys, launching trampolines into the sky, and ripping roofs clean off houses. Indeed, the sheer power of Mother Nature's fury is nothing short of astonishing. Watch the astonishing moment a CCTV camera captured the exact second the Sakurajima volcano erupted in Japan, sending a massive cloud of ash and smoke into the sky.
Okay guys, okay guys.
These workers were just going about their normal day when suddenly a massive landslide caused by a magnitude 6.2 earthquake struck right in front of them. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
Ako kay down guys. Tara guys. Hi mga guys. Ako kay down guys. Muna siya guys.
This is the shocking moment a lightning strike set a tree on fire in Scottsdale during a severe thunderstorm. I wonder what sin that poor tree has committed to be singled out like that. This truck lift procedure seemed like just another normal day at work when suddenly the sling snapped midair, sending the truck crashing face down. What do you think went wrong? Watch the incredible moment this quick-thinking driver makes a split-second escape as an overhead shed collapses under the weight of snow. How did she know it was about to fall? Some kind of superpower? This is an apartment at the moment a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck California. Look at how it sends shivers down the spine of the resident. Indeed, Mother Nature is truly terrifying. I bet no one has ever seen a storm this powerful that it almost sent people flying into the sky. Last month, Italy witnessed its biggest volcanic eruption in years as Mount Etna erupted, flooding the streets with lava and fire. This CCTV footage captured the terrifying moment Mother Nature got so angry she split this bridge in half with a raging flood. Scenes from a Tunisian market as heavy flooding swept through, dragging cars, properties, and market wares, causing thousands of dollars in damage. All of Japan was thrown into chaos when this massive 8.0 magnitude earthquake struck, shaking houses and threatening to destroy properties. This car's dash cam captured the breathtaking moment an extraordinary landspout tornado suddenly emerged, tearing through a Texas highway and sending cars flying. The resident of this coastal home was left terrified as a massive storm threatened to rip their house apart and hurl them into the ocean.
Shit, that's bad, that, innit? They're getting bigger.
Thankfully, they made it out safely. This is the moment a massive flood hit France, sweeping away cars and destroying everything in its path.
ये देखो भाई जमीन उठाने के लिए अपने आप ये देखो भाई नया तजुर्बा.
On Sunday, August 14th, 2024, the people of India witnessed a bizarre phenomenon as a piece of land suddenly rose 10 feet out of a deep lake. Bet you've never seen anything like this.
यू क्या विक्की कदे जमीन की जगह जा रे विक्की ऊपर बैठ जा ऊपर बैठ कर चला गए मेरे भाई ये तो उठली यारी भाग का देखियो बैठना के रह के बैठना.
In the CCTV footage, you can see a massive avalanche crashing down a mountain in China, sending shockwaves through the valley and forcing tourists to flee for their lives. Thankfully, no one was hurt. This is the moment a busy road in California got tired of the heavy burden of vehicles and decided to give way, bringing traffic to a total standstill. This wildlife photographer was just admiring the breathtaking beauty of Tian Shan Mountain in Kyrgyzstan when he was suddenly caught in an avalanche. Thankfully, he managed to walk away without a scratch.
Oh dear God.
शीशा बंद करो, शीशा बंद करो।
On Sunday, March 5th, 2025, a city in India witnessed one of the most massive avalanches ever recorded in the country. Watch how it left these guys with literally no place to hide. What would you have done in this situation? This is the incredible moment Mount Etna roared to life at 3,000 meters, flooding the streets of Italy with dangerously high amounts of molten lava.
воде просто трындец. Куда вот это заехать? Твою мать, что за наклон?
This is just one of countless proofs that Mother Nature can be a fantastic artist. Bet you wouldn't believe it if this sight wasn't caught on camera.
А что, нормально так-то?
This CCTV footage captures the brave moment a quick-thinking driver narrowly escaped a massive landslide in China. A second later, and it would have been a disaster. This is a volleyball court during a 6.9 magnitude earthquake in Taiwan, with the powerful tremors causing the ceiling to collapse onto the ground. Thankfully, no one was injured. Powerful thunderstorms tore through Afghanistan, unleashing a tornado and hail so intense that it shattered properties worth thousands of dollars, including several solar panels. Welcome to the coast of Hormuz, where it rains blood instead of water. I bet we're about to get the 8th wonder of the world. This is the incredible moment this woman with an umbrella narrowly escaped getting injured after being knocked over by a falling tree. This nature photographer captured the breathtaking moment an extraordinary landspout tornado emerged out of nowhere, tearing through the streets of Alberta. In this crazy CCTV footage, you can see a massive mud flood tearing through the streets of Erzincan, Turkey, like an unstoppable force of nature. This disaster struck without warning, dragging along valuable properties and leaving nothing but destruction in its wake. Thanks for watching. If these jaw-dropping moments caught your attention, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.